Creating professional videos used to be a nightmare of complex timelines, endless layers, and steep learning curves that took hours to master. But those days are over. Welcome to the future of content creation, where professional quality is just a few clicks away, no coding required. Step 1. Simply enter your topic. Whether it's an educational guide on sourdough bread or a marketing pitch, the AI understands your vision. Next, select your presenter. Browse through a gallery of diverse, professional AI avatars to find the perfect face for your brand. Now choose a voice. With a range of natural, high-quality options, you can preview and pick the narration that best fits your message. Finally, hit Generate. In just moments, the AI handles the heavy lifting, processing your script, visuals, and audio into a cohesive story. Watch the magic happen as the AI scriptwriter populates your timeline with relevant stock footage and perfectly synced subtitles automatically. The result is a polished, professional video with a presenter whose movements and speech are in total harmony, ready for any platform. Whether you are a teacher, a student, or a marketer, AI removes the technical barriers, saving you time and effort every single day. Professional content, made easy. Join the revolution of AI video production and start creating your own masterpiece today.